Last night was the saddest night of my life. Wish my man could come back and kiss my lips goodbye. Wish he was here with me all day and all the time. I love him and I miss him every day of my life. Never know. Every night I think and I cry my eyes to sleep. Never know what could happen to me. Every night I try to keep my strength up with all my might. I need you right now. I want to be with you right now, but I can't. I'm always a secret in your eyes. It's like I'm a disguise. Why can't you just stick by my side instead of getting hurt all the time by the person that hurts you the most? It's like you just turned into a ghost who screams and yells at you all the time cause she don't want to get caught in a lie. Lying to your face is like a big disgrace. Cheating on low key, making you think. No wonder she yelling at you and making you think and asking many questions to understand why you don't answer her calls or answer her on key. And when you know you can do better than that, I don't want to lose you all because I'm speaking the truth. Be mad all you want, but at the end of the day, I will always love you and think of you every day and night. You're on my mind 24 hours of the day and 7 days a week. Always worrying about why I'm helping you all the time. It's because I care for you and I don't want to hurt. I don't want you to struggle in life. Never know what could happen and you might be out on the street or sick or dying on me. I want you to be safe in my arms. I don't want you to share you with anybody else besides me. I understand the situations you're in, but you don't know what she could be doing right now. She could be cheating or doing bad things that a woman's not supposed to do. I'm sorry to say, but if a woman asks question and says what you doing, you know she up to no good. Now, if a woman asks what you up to, you know she has nothing better else to do besides think of you.